Happy New Year, guys. We only have, a short amount of time before 2023 ends. Thank you guys all for watching my videos, subscribing, liking, just being a part of the channel. Hope to see, guys continue to stay with me in the channel. And hopefully you guys have a great 2024. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Hang Seng Index Futures with the ticker symbol HSI1. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. I know you guys like me doing HSI, but I'm not seeing the likes represent that. So last video only got 26 likes. Let's see if we can get more likes than that. So let's take a look at HSI. Basically, what has happened since last week, Sunday. You can see that price moved up higher towards the measure move target I had. This was one leg up in the past. Most likely the future can do the same thing, and price is headed up towards the 17,321 level. So again, we'll see if it can stay above this $17,000 level. If not, price will most likely continue trending on lower. What is not the greatest sign overall is that we're still in a downtrend. So even if price makes a two-legged correction, usually that resumes the downtrend. So you can see just shortly in the past, there was one leg up right here. This was the second leg up. Target was met. Price continued trending down lower. What do we have right now? One leg up right here. Second leg up. Price has a very strong possibility of just continuing to trend down lower and lower, especially because price is overall still below this downward trend line right over here, this bearish trend line. And there's still measure move targets towards the downside that can be reached. Or actually not measure move targets. There's some very strong swings that can be reached, which is the prior low right here in October 2022. The measure move target has already been reached. That doesn't mean we can't create a new one. This is one leg down right here. This is the second leg down. Price bounced from the measure move target, moved up higher, failed, and we came back to retest that low, broke below it, and we're just pushing up higher right now. So again, there's still a lot of resistance levels for HSI if it wants to be in a confirmed bull trend. We have this trend line in play. And then price can drop down lower if it can't break that. And then after that, we have the 18,200 level, which is a very strong resistance level because price got rejected there numerous times. And that can also send down price lower. So what I'm saying is you can always have two time frames or two perspective. You can be short-term bullish, long-term bearish. So I would be saying the same thing, short-term bullish, because there is room to the resistance levels. But from there, the better decision or perspective would be more downside until you see something else occur. But until then, that short-term trend could, reverse the long-term trend if we see very strong buying, like we did back over here in late November 2022. Yeah, no, late 2022 up until, early 2023. But until then, this is not looking like the stars are aligning just yet for the buyers. So obviously the downtrend is still in play, and most likely the trend will continue to trend lower. So here's a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that we are kind of temporary bottoming out. But again, downtrend makes lower lows, lower highs. We're right now at the low point. Are we going to just reverse out of here and make, a different type of trend? We'll have to wait and see. We could just be bottoming for another swing low for further downsides. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, that's looking more likely. Prices below the trend line, below the EMA, below this 18,200 level. If we see a strong push above that level, and then price holds it for support, then I'm back to being very bullish because price broke the EMA, it broke this trend line, it broke above the 18,200 level, found support from it, and most likely it's going to continue stopping out the shorts. We don't have to pull back, that far. We can always just, consolidate up here and then move up higher. I'm just saying we need to see a break of these levels right over here for me to be very bullish. If we can, we can see another large leg up like this in the past. But until then, price is headed lower. It's headed towards the sub $15,000 level, $14,000 level. Eventually, it will bottom out. I'm not saying it's going to go all the way down to 1998 levels at the 6,000. I mean, that would be pretty insane. I'm pretty sure China's, or whatever this represents, these Chinese stocks are in a much better position than they were, 2 decades ago. Maybe not. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, this is getting near, the 08-09 crash, which is right around the $12,000 level. This got near the 2011 crash and the 2016 crash, and it got below the 2020 crash. So again, this is normally, where price reverses. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, that's all I see on the daily and weekly chart. Short-term bullish, long-term bearish. and we'll see if that long-term perspective changes depending on how bullish the short-term price action is. Let me know in the comments down below where you guys think the price is headed. And this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.